Hello, children. Welcome to our English lecture. Hope you're all safe along with your families. Today, we are going to study a new lesson based on the sports. In last English lesson, we have studied about the biscuits, how biscuits are manufactured in the factory. But before making of the biscuits, the people who are working in the factory, they have to find a recipe. After finding the recipe, then ingredients. After ingredients, then they have to weight the ingredients, how much the quantity should be there in the biscuit. Then after that, they have to make a dough. After making dough, they have to knead the dough. Then they have to make the dough straight. Then they have to put that straight dough in the biscuit's shape. So there are different shapes: circle shape, star shape. And after that, that biscuits are put in the oven. And after oven, it's removed and it's kept for cooling. Then they are checking whether biscuits are baked properly or not. If it is not baked, then they are removing the biscuits. Then the biscuits are put in the wrapper. Okay, so let's start a new lesson. Lesson number 7, Kasaba Jadoo. Okay, lesson number 7, Kasaba Jadoo. Have you heard about the Olympic Games? Sportsmen from many different countries of the world come together for the Olympic Games. A number of events are held. There are games, athletics events like high jump, long jump, running, gymnastic events, swimming, and diving competitions, boxing and wrestling matches, and many other things. The winners are given gold, silver, and bronze medals. An Olympic medal is an honor. An Olympic winner is considered to be a world champion. So, children, what is this lesson about? This lesson is about the sports. There are different games played. Okay, then about the Olympic Games. Now, in Olympic Games, there are different types of games. Now, Olympic Games means what? It is like a international games. In this Olympic Games, many countries participate. Okay, so this lesson is of sports, and a person called Kasaba Jadoo from Maharashtra played in this Olympic game, and how he won the medal is mentioned in this lesson. Okay, children. So this is 5 circles of Olympic. This is a symbol of Olympic. Full world is mentioned in that. Different parts, different continent is mentioned in that symbol. Okay, so 5 colors are there, that is blue, black, red, green, and yellow. So this is the symbol of Olympic Games, that is 5 colors, 5 circles. Okay, children. Then what you can see in this picture, 5 circles and the lamp burning. So before starting of the Olympic Games, when there is inauguration ceremony, that time this lamp is lit and burned. So starting again, have you heard about the Olympic Games? So Olympic means a set of international sports competitions that happen once every 4 years. So Olympic does not happen every year. So it happens every 4 years. Means when the 4 year completes, then the next year there will be Olympic Games. So this year the games, Olympic Games were there, but it is cancelled because of the coronavirus pandemic. Then it is shifted to the next year. Okay, it is shifted to the next year, 2021, and it is there in the Tokyo. Sportsmen from many different countries of the world come together for the Olympic Games. Now, sportsmen, MEN. What is given? MEN. So means it is plural. Means it is many sportsmen. So many sportsperson from different countries of the world come there to play the Olympic Games. A number of events are held. So there is not only one game. There are many different types of games. There are games, athletics, events like high jump, long jump, running. Now running race, everyone know what is running race, right? Then gymnastic events, swimming also everyone knows, and diving competitions and many other things. So high jump and long jump. I'm going to show the picture for you all. This is picture of high jump. This is what? High jump. Okay, different countries. Countries means a nation with its own government. A nation with its own government. That is called countries. Every nation has its own government. So high jump picture I have shown here. Then there is athletics. Okay. So athletics means the sports of competing in track, any kind of physical sports. So athletics means any kind of physical sports like exercising. Then gymnastics event. So gymnastics is also what? A physical ability. You have to show the physical ability. Exercises developing or displaying physical ability and coordination. So the modern sports of gymnastics involves exercises on bars, beams, floor and vaulting horse. So this is gymnastics. I'm showing the picture now. This is what gymnastics. Doing on the bar, beams, doing exercises, then holding and doing exercises, lifting it, then balancing on the hand, again balancing on the hand, balancing on one leg. Okay, so this is called gymnastics. So gymnastics means exercises of physical ability, means exercises done with the help of bars, beams or floor. Okay, doing exercise on one hand. Swimming and diving competitions. So swimming and diving. So swimming, everyone is aware of it. What is swimming? Okay. This is what? Diving. This is what? Diving. Going inside the water, down the water. So understood what is diving? Going inside the water and swimming. Boxing and wrestling matches. So boxing and wrestling. So boxing and wrestling is one and the same. See what you can see? They are fighting. That is called wrestling. That is called wrestling. Okay. Competitions. Now what do you mean by the word competition? So the activity is done to win something. Okay, by defeating other person. The activity is done to win something by defeating other person. That is called competitions. The winners are given gold, silver, and bronze medals. So what winners are given? Gold, silver, and bronze medal. So gold, first rank gold gets gold, second silver, and third one bronze. Okay. An Olympic medal is an honor. Honor means what, children? It's an respect. You get a high respect. All people looks at you, tells everyone that this person got a medal in the Olympic. So why people are shocked by listening Olympic? Olympic means many countries, full world participates in that. And after participating and you are winning in it, then you get a high respect. An Olympic winner is considered to be a world champion. So that person is called champion. Someone who is really good at something. Champion means who is the winner, who won the competition, okay, who got the medal. That person is called champion. World champion means someone who is really good at something. That person will maybe good at playing cricket, good at playing badminton, good at boxing, good at swimming. Okay, understood, children, up to here? Now we'll move on to the second paragraph. Few Indians have won Olympic medals so far. The first person to win a medal for independent India was a wrestler from Maharashtra. His name was Kasaba Jadhav. So the first one to get the medal after independent India. Now when we got independent, on 15th August 1947. So before that, who were ruling over our country? Britishers. So Britishers were ruling over our country. On 15th August 1947, we got the freedom, got independent. And after that, a wrestler from Maharashtra won in the Olympic competition, that is Olympic Games, and he won the medal. So few Indians have won Olympic medals so far. The first person to win a medal for independent India was a wrestler from Maharashtra. His name was Kasaba Jadhav. So wrestler means this way fighting. Okay, children, that's called wrestler. So Kasaba Jadhav was famous for wrestling. He was from which state, children? He was from Maharashtra. Okay, now we'll move on to the next paragraph. But before that, wrestler meaning the sport or activity with an opponent and trying to throw or hold them down on the ground. Okay, so wrestler means what? The sport or activity with an opponent. Opponent means opposite person, and you have to hold it and throw it down. That is called wrestler. I've shown the picture just now. Again, I'm showing it. This is called wrestler, holding and putting it down. Next paragraph. Kasaba Jadhav was born in a very poor family in a village called Goleshwar in Satara district. Now, what is poor family? Poor means needy, lacking money. Okay, so whatever we get, for that we require money. Now, for whatever you get, your parents are paying for it, your parents are working hard for it. Okay, so you get the things easily. But there are some families which they cannot afford. So such families have to go from a different stages of life. So he was from a very poor family in a village called Goleshwar in Satara district. Now where is the Satara district? In the state of Maharashtra. But it was a family that loved sports. So his family loved what? Sports, especially wrestling, that is especially fighting. His father, Dada Saheb, was himself a wrestler. So his father was also a what? A wrestler. He had 5 sons. Who had 5 sons? Dada Saheb. Now who is Dada Saheb? His father. Whose father? Kasaba Jadav's father. He had how many sons? 5 sons. The youngest of them was Kasaba. So youngest means smallest, last one. So fifth number was Kasaba, that is smaller. Dada Saheb himself taught his sons wrestling. They were all very good at it, but the best among them was Kasaba. So his father only taught the children how to play wrestling. Okay, everyone they were good at playing wrestling. Okay, he was like a teacher to them. Dada said his father was like a teacher to him. So everyone, that his brothers were also playing very well, but the best, very best was whom? Kasaba Jadhav. He played well, okay, better than his brothers. So he was the best among them. Okay, so children, what was his father's name? Dada Saheb. How many siblings they were? 5. He was the smaller one. Who was the smaller one? Kasaba Jadhav. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next paragraph. From an early age, Kasaba loved to watch wrestling bouts. His father took him to see the bouts from the time he was just 4 years old. So his father took him to see what? Wrestling. How to play wrestle. Means how to play this game. When they were observing, that time his father was taking along with him to observe the game. So from an early age, Kasaba loved to watch wrestling bouts. Now what is bouts? Bouts means matches. How cricket matches are there? Okay, same way, bouts means wrestling matches. His father took him to see the bouts from the time he was just 4 years old. He was very small. From that time onwards, his father was taking along with him to watch wrestling matches. He would sit on his father's shoulder and watch the bouts. So where he was sitting? On father's shoulder, because he was very small. So he was sitting on his father's shoulder and watching the matches. At 10, he was the youngest to get into the akhada. Now, akhada means arena. Akhada means arena, where this wrestling is taught. Where this wrestling is taught. Okay, he was the youngest. Youngest means smaller. He was the smallest to get into the akhada. Means a place where a wrestling is taught, practiced. Soon it became clear that he was also the best, not only in his own akhada but in the whole area. So he was the best. He played very well, not only in his akhada, means the place where wrestling was taught, but he was the best in his whole area. Which area? Goleshwar village. In that area, in that Satara district, he was the best. Next paragraph. Kasaba loved other sports too. He was fond of kabaddi, malkham, running, swimming, and gymnastics. He took part in all of this. He became strong and agile. He loved to discuss sports with his friends. So he was not playing only one game. He was playing different other games like kabaddi. Now, children, you know kabaddi. Okay? Malkham. I'm showing you the picture of Malkham. This is the Malkham. To stand that way and do the exercise. that is called Malkham. Stand on it and do the exercise. So it is a traditional sport originating from the Indian subcontinent in which a gymnast performs aerial yoga postures and wrestling grips in concert with a vertical or hanging a wooden pole, cane or rope. So with the help of the pole they do different exercises. So this is called Malkham. Malkham. This with the help of the rope. Okay, they are doing the exercise that is called Malkham. Okay, children, understood what is Malkham? Running, everyone knows it. Swimming also, and gymnastic. Gymnastic, I have shown you all, balancing on one hand. Okay. He took part in all of this. He became strong. Strong means like brave and agile. Now, agile, what do you mean by agile? Able to do it very quickly, active. He was very active. Agile means active. He was doing it very fast. He loved to discuss sports with his friends. So, every time his topic was only about the sports. Next part, next page number 14. He went to Rajaram College in Kolhapur where wrestling was encouraged. Kasaba took part in many wrestling bouts and won them all. In that area, he was the champion. So he went which college? Rajaram College in Kolhapur district. Okay, where wrestling was encouraged. Now, what do you mean by encourage? That is support. Give support, confidence. Okay, hope to someone. Okay, you require confidence. For example, if you want to say a speech on the stage, for that what you require? You require your teacher's support. Then you require confidence. Okay, and you require encouragement. That is someone to support you. So he was supported in his college, that is Rajaram College. Kasaba took part in many wrestling bouts and won them all. So in many matches he took the part and won the match. That is bout means matches and won them all. In that area he was the champion. So champion means someone who is really good at something, that is called champion. So he was good at playing wrestling. So he was champion in the wrestling. Therefore, he was sent to wrestle at the state level and national level. Now, children, state level, see the word state level and national level. First, he was playing in his own area. Then he started playing in the colleges, that is local. Then he started inter colleges, that's one college opposite other college. Then he started playing state level and national level. So he started playing state level. So from only Maharashtra, many champions were there, and he started participating in that state level. Then national level. National level means children, national level. Okay, national means Maharashtra versus Gujarat. So he was from Maharashtra. Other champion was from Gujarat, or other champion from Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, so that is called national level. And international means like Olympics. International means Olympics. So understood what is state level and national level. Okay. Now, next paragraph. Kasaba Jadhav became famous at the national level too. So at the national level too also he became very famous. He beat the national champion Niranjan Das in 1948. So after independence there was a competition and Kasaba won in that competition along with the champion Niranjan Das. So he defeated Niranjan Das in the year 1948. That is why it was decided to send him to the International Olympic Games. Now, international means many countries participated. Okay, international means many countries come together and participate. That is called international. So it is not only one or two countries, it is full world participating in that. Okay, children. Next paragraph. So he defeated Niranjan Das, and that's why he was sent in a Olympic Games. Next paragraph. When Kasaba Jadhav took part in the Olympic Games, for the first time, he found that the Indian and international rules were different. Also, he was used to wrestling in an earthen pit. So, when he participated in the Olympic Games, he found some rules different compared to our country, his country's rules. That is our country's rules. So, every country, every game, international level, the rules are different. Also, he was used to wrestling in an earthen pit. So, on the ground, he was used to wrestle, he was used to fight on the ground. But there in the Olympic Games, there was a mat. At the Olympic Games, the bouts are held on a mat. In spite of these differences, Kasaba Jadhav won a 6th place out of 42. So, there were 42 sportsperson participating in wrestling. So from that he got the 6th place. Which place? 6. Number 6. Okay. It's very difficult to get this number. That is 6th place. There's so many participants are there. That is 42. And this international means every participant is very strong. So there was rules also different. Then he was used to wrestle on fight on the ground. There it was given on the mat. Then too he won the 6th place. Next paragraph. The Olympic Games are held every 4 years. They are held every what? 4 years. So it is not every year. These Olympic Games are held every 4 years. Means not every year. After completing of 3 years, then again Olympic Games. Okay. In 1952, Kasaba wished to take part in the Olympics again, but it was not an easy task. Task means work. He had to prove his merit again and face the oppositions of officials. So merit again means the quality of being particularly good again in the wrestling. It is called merit. Means to deserve award, that way again you have to do what? Practice. And you have to face the opposition of officials. Opposition means to fight against. Now, as per the years pass, the oppositions have become stronger. The other participants also they are trying very hard, okay, to defeat other participants. That is called oppositions of officials. Officials means approved by government. So government should also take in charge to approve this Kasaba Jadhav to take part in the Olympic Games. Okay, so in 1952 he again wanted to take part, but because of these two problems he was not able to take part. Okay, children. So then too he tried. He faced the oppositions of officials because he was good in the wrestling. So children, we have finished up with the officials. Kasaba Jadhav was very strong and good in wrestling. So he wanted to take part again in the Olympic Games, but he have to face many officials, many opponents. Okay. And what happens afterwards, whether he took the part or did not take the part, we are going to see in our next English lecture. If you have any doubt regarding this lesson or up to over here, if you did not understand anything, post it on the students portal. I will try to solve your doubts. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.